Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus. I'm going to show you how you can use the volume keys for your camera in order to take photos, record video, or zoom. Okay, very, very simple. So first thing is go ahead and open up your camera. The shortcut is double tap the power button, press it twice. Now what you want to do is go to your settings icon, the gear icon right there. Tap on that. And then you want to do is scroll all the way down to the very bottom here, and down here it says volume key function. Tap on that. Right now I have it set on take pictures, but you have record video, zoom, and system volume. So if I leave it on take pictures, and then I go back to my camera here. So every time I press the volume up or down, it's going to take photos. Doesn't matter. Now if I go back into the settings here, and I go ahead and change it from take pictures to record video. Now how this works here is if I press the volume down button, it's going to record. If I want to stop, I press on volume up. Just like that. And going back here again to the volume key function. And the other one here is zoom. Okay, I can zoom in and out. So I have it on zoom right now. Go back to my camera here and you can see if I press up, I'm going to zoom in, and I press down, volume down, it's going to zoom back out. And also the last one there for the system volume, let me tap on that. The system volume basically is just the volume. So when you're on the camera, the volume up and down is not going to do anything. It's simply just to increase and decrease the volume of your phone. So pretty simple. I hope that helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.